Jambo jambo. Hello my good students. Welcome to today's lesson. Hamjambo wanafunzi bora. Karibu sana kwa kipindi cha leo. Jina langu ni Milly. My name is Milly and today we are going to learn about Swahili noun class. Mi, u, i. Mi, u, i. If you have been following up, you all know that there are 9 different Swahili noun classes. So we started from the first one and today we are tackling the third one. Noun class, mi, u, i. We already did the mwa, awa, and then we did the kivi, kivi. So today we are on the third one. If you haven't watched those videos, kindly make sure you go back and watch those videos for your easy understanding. But before we get to our today's lesson, if you are new here, welcome and welcome to the home of Swahili native speakers. Here we grow from beginners to experts. All you need to do is to make sure you hit this red subscribe button here, turn on your notification bell so that each and every time we get to upload a new lesson, you will be among the first people to be notified. Then sit, relax, and enjoy our lessons. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much, my students, and I love you all. We know we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and yes, we can do it. Keep on subscribing, okay? So let's head to today's lesson. Noun class, mi, u, i. This noun class has the following nouns. It has the following nouns. First one, names of trees. It has names of trees. Majina ya miti. That's how we say in Swahili. Majina ya miti. And then we have body parts. Some of the body parts. If you followed up our lesson on class kivi, kivi, you'll find that there are some of the body parts which fall in that class. And then we have some of the body parts which also fall in this class, mi, u, i. And body parts in Swahili we say sehemu za mwili. Sehemu za mwili. Then another group of nouns which fall in this class are the nouns that take in singular and me in plural. In singular and me in plural. And then we have group D of nouns which fall in this class. These are nouns that start with a vowel. One, wa in singular and me in plural. And then we also have particular cases where the prefix singular is So we are going to go step by step by finding out which nouns are these ones found in different groups. Okay, so group A was majina ya miti. Majina ya miti, names of trees. As we have said, names of trees, fruit trees, they fall in this category. Our first noun is mti. Mti. This one means tree. Mti. And then in plural we say miti. Miti to mean trees. We have mchungwa. Mchungwa, orange tree. And then if they are many, we say michungwa. Michungwa, orange trees. Next we have mwembe. Mwembe, mango tree. Mango tree. And then in plural we say miembe. Miembe, mango trees. We have mtofa. Mtofa, an apple tree. In plural we say mitofa. Mitofa, apple trees. Then we have mpapai. Mpapai, this is papaya tree. Plural we say mipapai. Mipapai, apple trees. Then we have mdimu. Mdimu. Mdimu, lime tree. In plural we say mindimu. Mindimu, lime trees. Mpera. Mpera, this is a guava tree. Guava tree. Plural we say mipera. Mipera, guava trees. And then lastly, under majina ya miti, we have mgomba. Mgomba, this is a banana tree. In plural we say migomba. Migomba, banana trees. Please keep watching because by the end of this lesson, we are going to form sentences and you will see how these nouns fit in perfectly. If you remember well, the second category of the nouns which fall in this noun class, mi, u, i, we had body parts. And in Swahili we say sehemu za mwili. Sehemu za mwili. So let's see which example nouns fall in this category. So we have them in singular and in plural form. The first one we have mdomo. Mdomo. This is mouth. And then in plural we say midomo, midomo, mouth. Next we have mkono, mkono, mkono. This is a hand. In plural we say mikono for hands, mikono. Then we have mguu, mguu. You can't see my leg. Mguu for leg. And in plural we say, pardon me. In plural we say miguu, miguu for legs. Then we have moyo, moyo, heart. We say in plural mioyo, mioyo for hearts. Next we have mfupa, mfupa, a bone. Then in plural we say mifupa, mifupa for bones. We have mgongo, mgongo for back, back. In plural we say migongo, migongo for backs. A body in Swahili we say mwili, mwili, a body. When there are many we say mili, miili, miili. Don't say mili. It is miili, miili for bodies. So let's move to our group C category in part 3 of class mi, u, e. Nouns that take in singular and me in plural. So let's see these examples. The first one we have mfano, mfano. This is an example. In plural we say mifano, mifano for examples. Next we have mmea, mmea. This is a plant. Mimea, mimea for plants. Next we have mji, mji, a city. Then miji, miji, cities. Mkoba, mkoba. This is a bag. And in plural we say mikoba, mikoba for bags. Swahili is very interesting. Another one is mfuko, mfuko. This still means a bag. And then in plural we say mifuko, mifuko, bags. Then we have mlango, mlango. This is a door. In plural we say milango, milango, doors. Then we have mtihani, mtihani, an exam. In plural we say mitihani, mitihani, exams. Then we have mlima, mlima. This one means a mountain. In plural we say milima, milima for mountains. And then there is mpira, mpira, a ball. Then mipira, mipira for balls. Another noun is mkate, mkate, bread. And in plural we say mikate, mikate for breads. Mto, mto. This is a river. In plural we say mito, mito for rivers. Then we say mchezo, mchezo, a game. In plural we say michezo, michezo for games. Next noun we have msikiti, msikiti. This is a mosque. In plural we say misikiti, misikiti for mosques. Next we have msitu, msitu, forest. In plural misitu, misitu for forests. And lastly under this category we have mswaki, mswaki, toothbrush. In plural we say miswaki, miswaki for toothbrushes. I hope you are learning something, and if you are, please don't forget to give this video a like. Category D, we have nouns that start with a vowel. Under D, we have part 1, the nouns which take mw in a singular and me in plural. So let's look at the examples. We have mwavuli. You can see mw in singular, so mwavuli. This is an umbrella. And in plural we say miavuli, miavuli for umbrellas. The next one we have mwaka, mwaka, mwaka. This is a year. And in plural we say miaka, miaka for years. Then we have mwezi. This is a month. In plural we say miezi, miezi for month. Mwiba, mwiba for a thorn. In plural we say miiba, miiba for thorns. And still under category D, we have particular cases with singular prefix mu. So let's see the examples in this group. We have muhindi, muhindi. This one is a corn. And then mihindi for corns. The next one we have muhogo, muhogo. This is cassava. And in plural we say mihogo, mihogo for cassava. Then we have mua, mua for sugarcane. And in plural we say miwa, miwa, sugarcane. Alright, we are getting to the end of this, but we can't finish without having to form our sentences and see how all these nouns can get to be used together with the verb and the u-e prefix. So before we go to the sentences, we have something to note here. And in Swahili we say zingatia, zingatia. So note this. When using a verb, this noun class uses u in singular and e in plural form for sentence formation. So that is what happens. So as we are forming our sentences, you will find that u and e, they come in the beginning of the verb. U in a singular form and e in a plural form. So let's find out about this. Now let's see the example sentences. And in Swahili we say mifano ya sentensi. Mifano ya sentensi to mean example sentences. So the first one we have mti utamea. Mti utamea. Utamea. This is what we meant in our note, the zingatio. This is what we were meaning. Mti utamea. The tree will grow. In plural they say miti itamea. Miti itamea. So u in singular and e in plural. The trees will grow. Then we have mfupa umevunjika. Mfupa umevunjika. The bone is broken. In plural we say mifupa imevunjika. Mifupa imevunjika. Bones are broken. Sentence number 3, we have mji umesafishwa. Mji umesafishwa. The city has been cleaned. In plural we say miji imesafishwa. Miji imesafishwa. Cities have been cleaned. The cities have been cleaned. And then another sentence we have mwaka umeisha. Mwaka umeisha. A year has ended. In plural we say miaka imeisha. Miaka imeisha. Miaka imeisha. Years have ended. So you can see we have ue, 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 and ue. And that's why we say class ue. And that's how we come up with ue. Now, if you have understood this lesson, please make sure you leave us an example sentence of what you have understood today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Goodbye. Mwah.